Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to create a custom route in Google Maps. It's extremely easy to do both on a cell phone and on a computer. Let's get started. Let's say we want to go from Finland to Thailand. To do this, I enter the capital of Thailand, Bangkok, into the search. I select it and press directions to build a route. Then we are going to go from. We can type in our current location or we can pick one on the map. To do this, click on choose on map, or we can write it down. The capital of Finland is Helsinki. Let's go from there, type in Helsinki, enter, tap on it. So the route will take us 95 days, 94 days and 18 hours to be exact. We can see the route step by step, click steps, and we can see the full route we should take in that direction. To go back, click show on the map. How to add a point. If you build a route on a computer, it's simple. On your phone it may not be so clear where to press. And we need to click on the three dots in the upper right corner. After that we select Add Stop and we have a new stop. Let's move Bangkok to the end because it's our end point. To do that, press the two lines near Bangkok and let's move it to the end. And where we have an additional stop, let's click on this empty field and enter, for example, the financial capital of India, pick Bombay, okay. The route is built with the assumption that we are going first to India and then to Thailand. We press done and now it shows us 109 days instead of 95 days. That's how simple this interface works. To add a new stop again, we click on the triplet again. Only now we select Edit Stops. And we have a new stop that we can add. We can also delete a stop. For example, I'm deleting Bangkok. To do this, click on the cross next to Bangkok and the route is rearranged. Press on Done. We get to India in just under 67 days. I wish you a good trip, visiting interesting places. Good luck to you and all the best!